Okay, so we're going to use the sky replacement tool. So I've opened up this image in Photoshop, and to use the sky replacement, I go to Edit, Sky Replacement. Okay, so Photoshop is working out what is the sky and what is like the foreground. So by default, it has applied this sky, but if I use my drop down, I can see that there are, I'm just going to collapse these in, there are blue skies, spectaculars and sunsets. So for example, if I go to blue skies, I could choose, for example, this one. Take a second and you can see that it has been placed on there. Now, if I kind of click off this, I can work on the edging. So just watch what happens here when I change these sliders or this direction. So you can play around with those. You can fade the edge, so you're kind of revealing some of the sky underneath. You can make it brighter or darker, okay? And you can make it cooler or warmer, okay? I don't generally use the scale much because you can end up in situations if you're scaling down where your picture of your sky is too small, but definitely scaling up works okay. And then you can output it to a duplicate layer or a new layer. Okay, and when you do that, you'll notice that you might have, let me make this a little bit bigger. This is my whole sky replacement. Okay, so I have adjusted the brightness of that sky. I've adjusted the temperature. I've adjusted, that's the sky itself, the foreground lighting and so on. So previous sky, new sky. I'm just going to pop that in the bin because I want to show you how to upload your own sky. So I've downloaded a sky from Pexels. I now go to Edit, Sky Replacement, and excuse me, on the drop down, I go to Plus, and I have a sky downloaded here. Okay, so this was the sky I downloaded right here. Okay, again, I can scale it down. Well, scale it down doesn't work very well, but scale it up. Okay, maybe I want to warm it up a bit. Maybe I want to brighten it a little bit. And then when I'm happy, press OK. And as you can see, again, it's there on its own layer.